I have a highly requested video for you over on my Instagram. You guys have been asking for this, so here it is, my home spa tour. So I live in a basement suite, and as you can see, the first things you see coming down the stairs are my little crystals on the left there, and my gorgeous little welcome sign that my cousins made for me. They own a printing company, so they helped me with all my signage, and I had to add crystals to all my little wall decals because, why? Diamond Beauty. So as you step down from the stairs, you walk into the everything nails section of my spa. Here I do manicures, nail enhancements, and pedicures as well. I also have my director's chair for any makeup applications I might have to do. On my wall, I proudly display all of my certificates, as well as I've got my price brochures and business cards down on my little DIY marble desk I made. On either side of the room, you can see I have two glass display cases. These at the moment house a number of different things. I have my towels for manis and pedis, I have my disposable pedicure basins, I have extra buffers, I've got candles, I even have a piercing kit. In the center of the room, I have my manicure desk. Here I do natural nail services as well as artificial nail enhancements. On my right hand side, because I'm right-handed, I have my e-file and my LED lamp. And then on my left, I have all my liquids that I use on a daily basis, my brushes, and my dirty bin where I put my dirty tools to go and disinfect. Then on the far corner of the room, I have my DIY pedicure station. I do have a video on that. I'll put it in the cards if you'd like to see how I make it. But here is where I do all my pedicure services. On my side table, I have a few little nail art books for my clients to take a look at while they're relaxing and having their pedicure. And then I have a long wall full of polishes. Recently, I've been trying to transition all the way to the new gel bottle line, but as you can see, I still have a few of my old polishes left there at the top. Any of my clients will tell you that at all times there has to be a comfy spot for my little kitty cat, May. In my basement suite, I am fortunate enough to have a little kitchenette, so here I can prepare tea and coffee for my clients. Now, the spa room. In this smaller room, I focus on everything beauty. Here I offer services such as brow threading, full body waxing, massage, tinting, lash lifts, and soon to be much more. I'm continuing my education and now studying facials and other services that I will soon be offering here at Diamond Beauty. In this closet, I house all my extra supplies such as wax pots, wax strips, gloves, and other bulk supplies that are too large to have out in the open. In this handy dandy trolley, I keep things like my waxing supplies, tinting supplies, and even ear candles and henna. In the hallway, I have a floor-length mirror for my clients to gaze upon them beautiful selves with. Additional mirrors on the wall, a little lamp my mom got for me, and then I have my product line cart. As you can see here, I have two of my products on display. Today I am focusing purely on the business aspect of my basement, but if you'd like to see a room tour, make sure you comment below and I'll put one out for you. Lastly, we have my bathroom. I do share this with my clients, so I try to keep as much of my clutter inside my drawers. I try to keep the countertops and my shower looking nice and neat. And I also have some towels that my clients can use. They are one-time only towels in case they'd like to wash their body after a body service or even their face. And this concludes my business home spa tour. If you'd like to see more from me, make sure you subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Here are my social media handles for you to follow me. I'll see you in the next video.